that have shaped my journey. I promise to honor the knowledge I have gained, the challenges I have overcome, and the friendships I have built. With gratitude for my education, I commit to applying what I have learned to serve others, to foster growth, and to contribute positively to society. I will carry forward the legacy of integrity, hard work, and excellence that this institution has instilled in me. I pledge loyalty to the community who has supported my growth, and I will strive to make the world a better place through the actions I take and the values I embody. So help me God.